can tell he loves the day.
Banking 500, only from Bank of America at Lowe's Motor Speedway. Tonight at 7 Eastern on ABC.
Eli makes his first Superdome start in the battle of the undefeated.
I expect it to be very loud, fans to be fired up.
And see some of Adrian Peterson's most prized possessions. Sunday night on Touchdown, 11 a.m. ESPN.
Is there anything better than anticipation? So many of you, of course, anticipating in 20 minutes a great matchup in the ACC between Virginia Tech and Georgia Tech. And in 5 minutes, we're anticipating a $2 million thriller here in the Breeders' Cup Challenge. And this is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions thanks to our friends at Emirates Airline. The Pattison Canadian International coming your way this a winner in to the Breeders' Cup turf. Continues. It's the NASCAR Banking 500 at Lowe's Motor Speedway at 7 Eastern on ABC, and coverage begins with NASCAR Showdown. But horsepower of another kind, the natural kind. Horse flesh out there going after the big prize. A grade one to try to get